Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can a land title be cancelled? The short answer is yes, but it is an extremely difficult and rare process. The entire American real estate system is built on the idea that a land title provides certainty of ownership. If titles could be easily cancelled, the market would be chaotic, and no one would trust that the home they bought actually belongs to them. However, in specific and serious situations, a court of law can order a deed or title to be voided and cancelled. This doesn't happen because of a simple disagreement or buyer's remorse. It requires proving a significant legal wrong occurred. The most common reason a title might be cancelled is fraud. This could involve a forged signature on a deed, someone impersonating the owner to sell the property, or intentionally lying about critical facts to get someone to sign over their property. If a court finds that the transfer was based on fraud, it can undo the transaction and restore the title to the rightful owner. Another major reason is duress or undue influence. This happens when a person is forced or coerced into signing a deed against their will. Imagine an elderly person being pressured by a caretaker to sign over their house. A court can invalidate the deed because the signature was not given freely. Similarly, if the person signing the deed lacked the mental capacity to understand the transaction, perhaps due to dementia or severe illness, the title can be challenged and potentially cancelled. Clerical errors or significant mistakes can also be a cause. If a deed contains a major mistake in the legal description of the property, a lawsuit, often called a quiet title action, may be needed to correct the record, which could involve cancelling the incorrect deed and issuing a new, correct one. Beyond these issues, titles are also effectively cancelled through other legal processes. In a mortgage foreclosure, the homeowner's title is extinguished, and a new title is given to the bank or the person who buys the property at auction. The same thing happens in a tax sale when a property is sold for unpaid property taxes. Finally, the government can use its power of eminent domain to take private property for public use, which cancels the owner's title in exchange for just compensation. So, while your property title is very secure, it is not absolutely untouchable. Cancellation is a powerful legal remedy reserved for fixing serious wrongs and errors, always requiring a court order to protect the integrity of property ownership. I hope this explanation helps you understand this complex topic. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for